So apparently LaVar Ball is taking LaMelo out of high school, out of Chino Hills, to homeschool him for the next 2 years. Now I did some investigating and I found some more evidence, some more reasons why LaVar Ball wants LaMelo out of Chino Hills. So if you go on Instagram, there's a guy named Ball Guide. You guys can follow him. Trust me, he's a trusted source. So it appears that LaVar Ball said, I'm not dealing with the coach over there. I'm not dealing with administration over there. I don't want no distractions on Melo. So therefore, I'm going to homeschool him and make him the best basketball player ever. So now I don't really know the details on what really happened at Chino Hills for LaVar to really make this decision, because it's a big decision that will impact LaMelo forever. But then again, when LaVar Ball said he doesn't want any distractions for LaMelo, but I mean, come on, LaVar. Lonzo's in the NBA. LaMelo has his own signature shoe. LiAngelo is in UCLA, and they also have a reality show. So I mean, are the distractions that LaMelo is facing at school that made you take him out of Chino Hills, do they outweigh the distractions that you're putting on LaMelo with the TV show and with Lonzo being in the NBA and with LaMelo also having his own signature shoe? LaVar also said it's a new coach and I don't like him not one bit. He's on track for UCLA, but he doesn't have to be dealing with these knuckleheads. I'm not letting them mess up his head anymore. You can put that on the principal and the coach over there. That coach has his own frame of mind and how he wants to play and who he picks in the team. Okay, y'all got all that's going on. Let's see how you do without my tutelage, without me training those players at my house. It seems like anybody who's training over there, that coach doesn't want him in the team. Now to me this makes a lot of sense, but it seems LaVar Ball has problems with the coaching at Chino Hills. LaMelo still doesn't play defense, and for those of you who don't know, LaVar Ball is the one who actually trains the kids over at Chino Hills. They come to his house often, well, because they're friends with LaMelo, but the kids over at Chino Hills, they come to his house and he trains them. And I mean, if you think about it, LaVar has his respect as a coach because I mean, Lonzo's in the NBA. So all the kids that go to Chino Hills, they all want to be like Lonzo. They all want to get into the NBA. So they all go to LaVar Ball for that coaching. And I mean, as far as I've seen with LaVar Ball's coaching, I mean, Lonzo's in the NBA. So I gotta say he has good coaching. But if he wants to take LaMelo out of Chino Hills to personally train him, I can't be against that. He's LaMelo Ball's dad. He knows what's best for him. It's out of our hands. I mean, we can sit here and criticize or agree with LaVar Ball's decision. At the end of the day, he's the father. LaMelo's his son. But you guys tell me what you think in the comment section. And I'm out.